How to connect Shark Vacuum to your Wi-Fi, Shark Vacuum robot to your Wi-Fi in this video step by step. What you will need is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, your Wi-Fi name and password, a smartphone or tablet, and the SharkClean application on iOS or Android. This is what you will need. Now, step 1 will be download the SharkClean app. Go to your App Store and Google Play, search for SharkClean and install it. Open the app and create an account or login. Step 2 is prepare the robot for setup. Place your Shark robot on the dock and make sure it's charging. Press and hold the dock and clean buttons simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. The Wi-Fi light on the robot should start blinking. Now connect to Wi-Fi via app. Open the SharkClean app and tap Add a Robot option. Follow on-screen instruction, select your model, connect your phone to robot's temporary Wi-Fi network, then reconnect to your home 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. There you have to enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted again. Final step will be the app will connect your robot to Wi-Fi. Once complete, you will see your robot in the application. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it and please subscribe to the channel.